it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I've got an unboxing of this month's Glossy box. And Luna's here too. So today we are unboxing May's Glossy box. Glossy box is a monthly beauty subscription box. It tends to be quite a makeup heavy one, but inside we do get other bits and bobs too. So there are two ways of subscribing to Glossy box. You can subscribe for a month at a time, which will cost you £13.25, or you can subscribe for a 12-month subscription, which will cost you £11.75 per month. So this is my box. I haven't opened it yet. I have seen the box design on Instagram, I'll be honest, and I know that the sneak peek was some eye patches. Other than that, I've managed to avoid spoilers, so I'm not sure what's in it. I'm quite intrigued this month. I wasn't as impressed with my Look Fantastic as I usually am, and I usually prefer that to Glossy box, but I'm holding out hope that this month, Glossy box is going to be the winner. Okay, so like I say, I haven't opened it, so without further ado, let's get into this box, which of course Luna will want. Woo, there we go. So inside there are some little notes from their partners with some offers, and inside we have this beautiful box. It's like a lovely yellow design. There's some gold detailing on there. It's upside down, and it says "Let the sun shine," which is the theme of this month's box. Yeah, it's like in mind of summer starting and things. Yeah, it's done nothing but rain here for a good week or two. So hopefully this will bring a little bit of sunshine into my life today. I'm sorry, she has to be in at the minute. I don't know what it is. I think she knows I've always got tasty cardboard boxes. She doesn't eat them, by the way. She does just rip it up. Anyway, let's open it up. And inside we should get a little card that will tell us about the products in this month's box. And then the products beautifully wrapped. I love the colours this month. How pretty. So you get a little bow, which we can unwrap. The tissue paper looks like it's like a cloudy blue sky. And then underneath the tissue are our products this month. There's a quick sneak peek. But what I will do is we will... You okay? Wally. What we will do is we will look through the booklet. And I'll let you know what the little write-ups say. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Can I do some reading, please? Thank you. So it says... Hey Glossies, summer is most definitely on the way. Fingers crossed. In no time at all, the sun will be shining and everything, including us, will have a gorgeous golden glow. That's the wish, isn't it? Our Let the Sunshine at Glossy box is bursting with makeup products as shimmering as the sun. As well as summery scents that will transport you to tropical lands far away. You're sure to feel truly radiant this month. So they're off to a good start. Sounds very nice. Sounds very, very nice. Excuse me. I thought you had the box. Why do you want my sleeve? Okay, so our first product this month comes from Minitan, and it is a moisturising after sun gel. So it says a rapid recovery after sun gel. This is a deluxe mini product. It is worth £13.35. For deluxe mini with just some after sun, it's pretty expensive. But the full size is 177ml and it is worth £28.60. So the little write-up says, save your skin from sunburn this summer with this rapid recovery after sun gel. For faster, more effective relief that revitalises the skin, this gel is enriched with powerful key ingredients. A natural anti-inflammatory, aloe vera soothes whilst providing a protective layer to the skin. Niacinamide helps retain hydration and reduces the appearance of sun damage and fine lines. And it gives you the top tip that a cold shower before use will hydrate sunburnt skin further. So there's definitely not been any need for this recently. But after sun is certainly a useful thing to have. We did have a really nice summer last year, so hopefully we will get that again. And I will definitely be able to put this to the test. But again, certainly isn't going to be needed within the next week, I don't think, because the weather forecast looks atrocious. Okay, our next product is from Ciate, and it is a gold definer liner. Okay, so I'm assuming this is for your eyes. So the little write-up says, I suppose it's full size and it's worth £18. So it says, line and define your eyes with Ciate London's ultra-fine precision liner. A gorgeously golden shade featuring a built-in sharpener in the base. Oh, that's useful. This liner will always have the perfect point, ensuring it's always sharp and ready to use. For brighter eyes, use on the inner corners of your lids. Okay, so I tend to pop a little highlighter there usually, but intrigued. I'm going to open it and just see what I think. Have a little look if I can get it out of the box. Okay, so it's in a box and it's also sealed. Yeah, they didn't want anybody to get into this one. Oh, Luna's just disappeared. Ooh. Okay, so it's nice gold. And then it says it's a sharpener. I mean, I guess is it built into the lid? I'll have to investigate that, I'm not entirely sure. But having a quick little look. Well, that's very pretty. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera. But it is a very nice sparkly gold. It's really nice actually. It does catch the light quite nice. So yeah, no, that's a nice one to have. Not a big wearer of eyeliner, but a little bit of gold and shimmer and stuff, especially during the summer, looking glowy is important. So that's quite a nice one, and Ciate is a good brand. The next product in the box then is our sneak peek from last month. It's from Rodile and it is their Dragon Blood eye masks, which are to hydrate and tone. So let's see what they say. They're full size, obviously, and they have a recommended retail price of £6. So it says, brighten your eyes with these innovative gel eye masks. Great for providing intense hydration to your delicate eye area thanks to hyaluronic acid, as well as providing an immediate depuffing and cooling effect as a result of Dragon Blood, which is from the Croton Lecheleri tree. That's one I'll have to think about saying. Your eyes will look instantly brighter and more alert, and the top tip is a cooling effect that it leaves under your eyes, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't really sound like... Eye masks are always useful. These sound like they've got some good ingredients and they will be good for your eyes. So, and again, summertime, like hay fever and things, eye masks are a godsend. So this will be really nice. Okay, next product. Looks like we've got a decent sized one here. It is from, oh goodness, I'm not entirely, is it Ciate? And it is their lemon scented shower gel. So this natural shower gel cleanses and protects the skin throughout the whole day. With revitalizing lemon and chamomile extracts, it carefully cleans the skin whilst respecting your skin's natural pH, leaving behind a refreshing scent. It says to pair with their body milk for a super soft scented skin. So this is a full-size item and it is worth £5.70. Shower gel's always useful. I tend to use Soap and Glory usually. Is this one an open one? Oh, it's very lemony. It is very lemony. I suppose a lemony fresh scent's probably good for like summer mornings. So that sounds very nice. And like I said, it's a decent size, which is always nice to see. Okay, so moving on to our final product then this month, it is from Lottie London. Lottie London is a brand that I actually really like. They do my very favourite setting powder, the Ready Set Go. So it's always nice to get a product from them. So what is this? It is a full-size item worth £6.95 and it is their Power Foil Golden Hour. Sorry, in Golden Hour. So it says, pack on the power with Power Foil. This versatile, high coverage, metallic gold eyeshadow is designed to give you an intense foil finish in just one swipe. Looks stunning both blended out and natural and layered up to create a more glam, glowy eye makeup look. It says to layer up for a more striking glam look. So I'm not going to open that properly, but I can see inside it looks like an ultra glittery golden I'm guessing it's an eyeshadow. It doesn't technically say, but I'm sure you probably can use elsewhere. But I might save this and pop it in a Try It Tuesday. But I have a lot of things for a Try It Tuesday. I'm contemplating maybe doing kind of a Try It Tuesday, trying out quite a few different bits and bobs in one look perhaps, because I have got a box and I was actually using an old Look Fantastic box and I can't quite get the lid on anymore. I've got that much stuff to try. So definitely going to have to do that. Okay, so this is our box this month. I'm quite happy with it, to be honest. It's probably the first month, possibly ever, that I prefer Glossy box to Look Fantastic this month. Firstly, the box design is beautiful, very, very pretty. And then inside, again, it's products that I can actually use all of. After sun, like I say, we don't need it at the minute, but summer is coming, so fingers crossed we'll get some decent weather. Eye masks, always a really nice pampery treat. Like I say, especially around summertime with hay fever going on. We're out and about doing lots, so we'll get tired. So it's great for tired eyes. It's cooling and things if you keep them in the fridge. So I really like that. Then we've got a couple of products for our eyes. Ciate London, great brand. That looks very pretty and shiny. Like I say, I've got it on my hand. This one I haven't tried yet, but again, Lottie London is a tried and trusted brand for me, so I really like that, and it looks very pretty. It looks like these two will actually complement each other well, which is nice. And then we've got a nice sized shower gel. Shower gel is something that I use daily, so that's a useful one to have, and it does smell very fresh and lemony, so that's nice. It's a nice box. It's not my favourite box I've ever had in the whole world, but I genuinely really like it, and I do prefer it to Look Fantastic this month. Okay then guys, so just before I leave you, I'm going to give you a look at the sneak peek on the back. This will be for June's box, so it's probably even more summery. So if you don't want to know the sneak peek, then please look away now. Do not listen, because I'm about to spoil it. Okay, so in June, we've got a product from Nip and Fab. Nip and Fab is another brand that I really like. I've had some good things from them. So what is it? It says, with summer days very much on their way, our Dreaming of Paradise glossy box couldn't come any sooner. Okay, so that sounds like a good theme. So to give your skin a head start on summer, you're going to love the beauty buys inside, including this energizing and illuminating vitamin C scrub from Nip and Fab. So that sounds fab. See what I did there? No, that sounds really good. Nip and Fab are a great brand. Vitamin C scrub actually sounds very nice. Very like, it'll probably give me glowy skin and things. So I look forward to getting that. That's off to a good start already for next month. Okay guys, so please drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this box. Are you subscribed? Are you happy? Would genuinely be interested to know what you think. I tend to find sometimes I like boxes that other people don't like, and I don't like ones that people do like, so it's always interesting to know what you guys think. If you're not a subscriber, does this make you want to subscribe? Please let me know what you think. I'm genuinely curious. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like I say, I've got unboxings all the time. I've done my Look Fantastic, various hauls, bits and bobs. I've got a lot to try Tuesdays I need to try and film, so make sure you stick around. And until next time guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.